out driving our Jeep J20 four-wheel drive. You see we're going down the road about 65 miles an hour. Don't believe the temp gauge works. And that oil pressure gauge is pretty funky, so I wouldn't trust that either. But goes down the road good and straight. Just got it in, came off a ranch out in western South Dakota. Nice dry old truck. Needs a little work. Blower motor doesn't work. Radio doesn't work. And then there's a couple gauges here. But all the lights work. Horn works. Dome light works. Wipers work. So. Got the 401 V8 in it. We'll go up to the corner here and I'll show you the brakes. I don't think it's been drove much in the last few years, so I've been sitting a lot. South Dakota Rooster. Brakes work good. Then I'll take off from this corner here. So you can transmission. First to second. Second to third. Nice solid shifts. So if you're looking for kind of a nice original old J20, this will definitely fit. Nice solid, not much rust. So any questions, 605-695-7391.